Welcome. Today in front of me NOKIA 1.4 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got two ways how we can do that. I'll show you both, and the first one, you should go just to the settings application, then tap on the display section and go to the advanced options. Here tap on the wallpaper, and as can you see here we got the our previously just set it wallpapers on our lock screen and home screen. And just to change the lock screen wallpaper, now you can select your new wallpaper from your local device photos, or for example previously taken photos, or that can be photo from the internet, for example, download it. And also here, as can you see, we got the folders with the default photo with the default wallpapers. And now you can choose one from these wallpapers. For example, we can go with this one. Now just here tap set wallpaper, and we want to change the lock screen, so tap there. And as can you see, we got here the message that our wallpaper set successfully to our lock screen. And as can you see, we really successfully change our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how you can do that. Just you should hold for a while your screen with a finger, and you will see the wallpapers section. Tap there, and by the same way you can select one from these available wallpapers, for example this one. And now just here tap to set to lock screen and check. Yes, can you see? That's really simple. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.